In this video we show how to perform a pH multipoint calibration with the PreSens Measurement Studio 2 software and apply your calibration data to future measurements. Connect your pH transmitter to the PC or laptop and start the PreSens Measurement Studio 2 software. Switch to the Sensors tab and create a new sensor. Select the pH meter's measurement channel in the Devices section on the left and assign the new sensor to it. You are ready for the multipoint calibration now. For more information on how to make the buffer solutions and the calibration setup, you can watch our video on preparations for pH multipoint calibration. Now click the Calibrate icon in the control panel of the Live View or the Sensors tab. Select Multipoint Calibration. This will open the calibration dialog and the channel starts taking measurements at 1 second intervals. On the right side of the dialog, you can see the currently measured values. Enter the temperature of your sample manually in the Manual Temperature input field and click Apply Manual, or, in case a temperature sensor is connected to the device, place the sensor in a calibration vessel and click on Apply Temperature from Sensor. Now connect the pH sensor to the pH meter with a polymer optical fiber. Ensure the sensor is equilibrated and completely covered with buffer solution. Wait for about 10 to 15 minutes until the measured phase values stabilize. The phase values are displayed in the current phase graph at the bottom of the dialog. Then enter the pH of the buffer solution you have determined with the reference pH electrode in a pH value input field on top and click on Apply. The currently measured phase value is now displayed in the phase input field. Click Add to use this value for the calibration. It is displayed in the graph. Then change the pH value of the calibration solution by adding basic buffer solution and repeat the process. Again, it is important to wait until the phase value stabilizes. Create at least 5 data couples by changing the pH of the calibration solution. Ensure that the pH values cover your pH range of interest. Here is a table with examples of suitable pH values. Once you have created at least 4 data couples, a fit will be displayed in the graph. On the Fitting Points tab, a table of the pH and corresponding phase values you have determined is displayed. Click Save at the bottom of the dialog to store the new calibration data. In case you are using a pH1 SMA, you can directly assign the new calibration data and proceed with measurements with a calibrated sensor. If you are using an EOM board, the calibration data is not automatically transferred to the board by the software. You will have to transfer the new calibration data to the board manually. You can print the newly generated sensor data and provide it to the end user of the sensor badge. This is how you perform a pH multipoint calibration with the PreSens Measurement Studio 2 software.